Hey, what is up YouTubers? It is Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows, and in this video I'm going to show you my strategy for getting up to $25,000 in a single month with affiliate marketing. So with that being said, we are in my volume tracking account, and as you can see I have it set to last month, November 2020, and the revenue was just over $25,000. And I'm going to refresh this for you guys so you know it's legit and I'm not doing anything. I know a lot of people like to see screens being refreshed, so I'll do that for you. So $25,938 in 1 month, and that was obviously November last month. It is currently December 10th right now. And I just want to point out one more thing. This cost is not accurate. This was me messing around with a DSP campaign. I'm starting to get into that. The main traffic source, as you can see from this over here, is Bing Ads. And they don't have cost integration, so the cost isn't accurate, but I will get into that later on in this video about how much I spent to get $25,000 in revenue. But before I go into that, I'm going to go over the actual strategy that I used to get these numbers. And this took a lot of time. I had to go through a lot of failures to figure out what works and what doesn't work with affiliate marketing. So I'm going to get into that right now. Alright, so my $25,000 per month affiliate marketing strategy, let's get into it. And before I get into it, I just want to point out that I'm going to keep this short and sweet and get right into the nitty gritty about the different types of campaigns you can run with whatever traffic source you're using. In my case, I'm going to be covering Bing Ads. So there's 3 main ways to promote an affiliate offer, and I'm going to briefly cover each of the 3 right now. So the first way, you get your traffic, whether it's organic traffic, if it's search traffic like Bing or Google, if it's social media traffic like Snapchat ads, Twitter ads, Facebook ads, etc. Whatever way you're promoting an offer, if you're using paid ads, choose a traffic source and focus on it. So this stack of people, that's representing the traffic source. So the first way is to just buy traffic from a traffic source like Bing Ads and send them directly to the offer. And this, of course, is called direct linking. Now, you will see a lot of people on YouTube or on the internet that say never do direct linking. And I agree with them to a certain extent. Like if you're using Facebook ads as a traffic source, you never want to direct link to an affiliate offer because that's asking to get your ad account shut down. But if you're using Bing, direct linking can be a very effective way to test offers quickly, see if it has potential, and then build out a more long-term campaign for that offer. So that's direct linking. There's pros and cons with each one of these, but I'm just briefly covering each of the 3 main ways to promote an offer. So the next way, you got your traffic source, you send them to a landing page. And I'm sorry, this is the best icon I could find for a 1-page landing page. So that piece of paper folded, that's representing the landing page. So you get your traffic, you send them to a landing page, and then you send them to the offer. And this is just landing page to the offer. And this is the main way that people promote affiliate products. If I had to give it a percentage, I'd say probably 70 to 80% of the campaigns that I see throughout my spying, and I spy a lot on other affiliates, the majority of people use just one landing page, send them to the offer, and then they can get that one-time commission and they're good to go, and they try to scale that way. And there's nothing wrong with doing that. I do that sometimes too, and I do direct linking, but we're about to get into the meat and potatoes with this third strategy. So the third way, and this is the main way to build long-term value, you get your traffic source, you buy traffic, you send them to a landing page, and on that landing page you collect their email address. You can collect their email and their first name, and once they give you that information, you send them to the offer. So you got that chance to have that upfront sale, the front end sale, and then when you collect that email, you got an opportunity to have a nice back end. And no, I'm not talking about this kind of back end, you pervs. I'm talking about something even sexier. This back end is an email follow-up with autoresponders back end. So you can create a series of automated emails to be sent out as soon as you get that email from the landing page, and you can like welcome yourself, be like, hey, welcome to the list, you know. If I was promoting a weight loss offer, I could be like, keep your eyes open for future emails on how to lose weight. And then you can send value posts like, oh, these are 3 ways to lose weight without any diet or exercise. And you can just go online and find 3 ways to lose weight by eating different or something like that. And then the next email, you could promote a different affiliate offer, and that's when the money really starts coming in. When you automate everything and you promote different offers throughout your autoresponder series. So that is what I consider a very sexy back end. So now I want to go over the importance of email marketing. And I'm going to show you an example of an email opt-in landing page and a real-life example of why collecting emails is the key to success with affiliate marketing and how to build that long-term value. And I'm going to show you actual statistics in my Excel file where I keep track of all my daily spend and profit and all that good stuff. So I'm going to get into that right now. So the first thing I'm going to show you is a real-life example. This is like I'm not actively running this right now, but I'm going to show you the types of landing pages that work really good. Okay, this is an example email opt-in landing page, and I'm in this example, let's pretend I'm promoting this offer. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, it's got a great gravity score in ClickMagick at a 164, and I'm pretty sure it's like newer because I haven't seen this on here in a while. Or unless I just missed it, it might have just got popular. But anyways, let's preview the sales page. So ancient Japanese tonic melts 54 pounds of fat. And then they got this video sales letter. So this is what I would do. I'd take this headline, ancient Japanese tonic melts 54 pounds of fat. I'd come over and make a simple landing page like this and change it up a little bit. So instead of saying just that, discover an ancient Japanese recipe that melts 54 pounds of fat in 19 days. I decided to add in a time frame, an amount of days that would actually stand out. That's just what I've learned throughout all my testing promoting weight loss products, is that people want a time frame. So this type of headline would outperform one that says discover an ancient Japanese recipe that can melt 54 pounds. But if you add in that in 19 days, that has tremendously helped my opt-in rates. So this video reveals everything. Enter your email address here, show me the video. So I'd go and buy traffic from Bing. It'd be cheap targeted traffic. I'd send them to this landing page. And honestly, you might be thinking this landing page looks too simple, but I've found that simple landing pages like this can get like 30 to 40% opt-in rates, which is awesome for affiliate marketers. And then once they give them the email address right here, and then click show me the video, then they're redirected to the affiliate offer. And if they watch this video, they get hooked into the video sales letter and they want to buy a bottle of this stuff, then you get your commission. And that is affiliate marketing 101. Simplified, obviously, but I'm going to leave. Now I'm going to show you something else. So when you're running your campaigns, you always want to be split testing your landing pages. I know I'm very repetitive in my videos about this, but I can't stress it enough. It is so important. So these look very similar. I just changed one thing. Let's go see what it is. So on my V2 landing page in this hypothetical example, so people would come from Bing. If they typed in weight loss or whatever, they saw my ad, they clicked on it, they'd come to this landing page. Same exact headline, same sub-headline, but instead of having the email bar right there, it just says show me the video now, and it opens the pop-up when they click it. And now when they open on that pop-up, this comes up, almost complete. Simply, there's a typo. Simply enter your email to continue to the video. And then they enter in their email address and then take me to the video now. When they do that, they get redirected to the offer. So this split test is basically to see if having the open pop-up can get a higher email opt-in rate than the V1. So now let's go see something right now. Let's go do an example, and I'll show you. Okay, so this is the V2. So discover an ancient Japanese recipe that melts 54 pounds of fat in 19 days. Once you click, that pops up, almost complete. Simply enter your email to continue to the video, and we already covered that. And these types of landing pages work a lot better. So if you want to test out something, I recommend doing your own split test, but I found that having that open pop-up really increases my email opt-in rate. So there's an example of the types of landing pages that work with affiliate marketing. And now I want to show you some of the statistics on this stuff. So I'm going to have this part blurred out for now, and I just want to show you my upfront revenue and cost for the month of December. So this is November 1st. Did I say November? I might have said December. But anyways, November 1st, very first day, front end profit of $350. That's awesome. The next 3 days took a little dive. The next 3 days I lost a total of $479. And then it goes on and on. So I'm going to highlight this whole thing and come over here. So my front end profit from Bing ads in the month of November is $6,387.44. And you can see right here, I'll highlight the rev. This is all that came in was $26,342, and the cost is $19,936. So I spent just under 20 grand to get 26 grand back. Let me just go down here a little bit. Okay, so here are the totals. 26 grand in revenue. It cost me $19,936 for a profit of $6,387. Now, if we do a little calculation and find out the ROI from the spend, you take the profit, 6,387, you take the profit and you divide it by your total investment, which was 19,936, and this comes out to a 32% return on investment. And you're probably thinking like, yes, that is awesome. Anything from like a 20% to a 30% on return on your investment when you're spending this kind of money is huge, but I'm gonna show you how it gets even better. So I'm gonna unblur this part right now. And this stands for back end from my autoresponder series. And I told you in the PowerPoint slides that I like welcome myself, I send out value, I build that trust, and then I sell them on other products related to the initial offer that I promoted. So the best part about having the autoresponder series is like once you're spending like $600 a day on ads and like maybe you lose a little bit, but you collect that email up front, every email you send to them doesn't cost you anything. It only costs you the subscription of your email service provider. And I use GetResponse. And it's relatively cheap. So let's see how much I made just from the email marketing side of things. I'm going to highlight everything right down here. And you can see the sum is $2,878. And that is pure profit because it doesn't cost anything to send out emails, like I said, minus the subscription price of the email service provider. Now let's go check out our new numbers. So this was the total front end stuff right here. The profit, or the back end profit, is 28. The front end profit for the month was 63. Now let's add those together. So the total profit is 9,000. And I'll come over here real quick. So now instead of having a 32% return on my investment, let me go 9,265 divided by my cost, 19,936. Now it is a 46% return on my investment. And that is just huge, guys, because when you have that back end set up properly, you can lose money on the front end and just bank on your back end and receive all that money from the email marketing side of things. So now I'm going to come show you the cost in my Microsoft advertising so you guys know like this is legitimate. So last month, 11/1/2020 to 11/30/2020, I'll refresh. Internet is slow. Okay, so I got a total of 2.6 million impressions on my ads using Microsoft Ads or Bing Ads, same thing. And of that, of the 2.6 million impressions, I got 51,331 clicks to my landing pages. And I spent a total of $19,936. So there you go, I got that right there. And let me highlight all this. So there's the cost, and then you can see the sum down here is 19,936. So that is how you do it. So you saw the statistics and why it is so important to collect that email on the front end. I hope being able to see like the actual data, the hard data for the month of November helps you understand that I got an additional $2,800 towards my profit just from collecting emails and sending out related offers and value posts, building trust with all my users, etc. So this right here, this model, this is what you want to do when you get into affiliate marketing and you want to start building long-term value, because even if all my offers that I'm promoting on the front end end up running out of cap space or whatever and I can't run them anymore, I still got a massive email list from spending $19,000 on ads last month, and I can email them for years and years to come. But the trick is to keep them engaged on your email list, and that's something that I need to work on too. I need to send out more newsletters and send out more value posts and stuff to keep them engaged with my email marketing. And then if they're more engaged, I'll promote offers and they'll be able to buy more, and I can increase that back end profit dramatically. But I just got to get to work on that. So I hope you got a lot of value from this video. It's nice to see things in like a data point of view, because you guys got to see the numbers and how that email marketing back end factors into the overall return on investment when you're buying traffic. So like, I hope that point of view helped, and if it did, I would very much appreciate if you dropped a like on this video. And lastly, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, smack that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos, and I will see you in the next video.